So today's question is possible bipartition. So in this question we have given the set of n peoples and we have to split them in two groups. We have given group of people who dislike each other. So we have to do is we have to put them in different groups so that they are not in the same group. So what can we do? So as we have to divide them in two groups, we get to know that this is a standard question of graph bipartition. So for example, if this is a graph, so how can we divide it in two parts? What we can do is we take any element and give it a red color maybe, and then all its neighbor blue color, then all their neighbors red color. So we can do it in this way. So here we have all the neighbors alternate colors, red and blue. So if we have this graph, we can give the first element blue color maybe, then its neighbor a red color, then the third neighbor, what will we give it? Blue or red? So the conflict arises. So when the conflict arises, we can say that it can't be bipartition or we can't group it into two. So for example, in this case, we have given the group of dislikes. So one is related to 2, one is related to 3 and 2 is related to 4. All have different colors. So they are in different groups. So this is a valid case. In this example, 1 is related to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 1 to 5. But here conflict arises as 1 and 5 are of the same color. So we can't group it. So this is an invalid case and we can't group it into two. So let's try to write code for this. So basically what we have to do is we have to take a graph, give its one element any random color like red, then its all neighbors blue, then all neighbors of neighbors red, and so on. And if at a point we are giving a node different color than its previous one, then we know that the conflict arises and we can't group it into two. So for here I have taken vector of vectors as graph and map to store its color. Now we are firstly forming the graph, then we are iterating over all the elements that is not colored previously and using DFS on it. In DFS, what we are doing is then we are searching in the map, and if we have that element previously, then we are checking its color. If we don't have that element previously, then we are giving it the new color. And after giving that new color, we are saying give all its neighbor elements the different color and return. So that's how we are doing our part. So let's try to code in Python too. So this is our function. I am using default dictionary as graph and group is the container that is storing the colors of the graph. Now we are returning DFS for all that are not in group previously, and our DFS is doing it is checking if the element is present previously, then we are checking its color. If not, then we are giving it a color, and then we are giving all its neighbor the different color, and so on. So I hope this is somewhat clear to you. You can give your suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.